Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Sahara beige MB Tex with a black matte ash wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Memory seats, power windows. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Convenience package with auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This CLA has 21,759 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.